Hello everybody, in this video I have my ultrasonic sensor running. As you can see, when I cover it with my hand, you can see the values change right here. So how did I do that? Well, I use this code here. So if you just look at this code, pause the video, copy and paste it into your Pros editor, you should be able to get it running. The first thing I did was I set up my echo and my ping pin. If you don't know what echo is, that's your output. If you don't know what ping is, that's your input. And then I plugged those into my ultrasonic sensor initialization function, which then gave me my ultra sensor, which was a part of the ultrasonic variable that they set up inside of Pros. Or inside of Pros' API file. The next thing I did was I initialized a variable for distance because I want to store the distance after I get it from my ultrasonic variable. And then I get my distance here in ultrasonic get. I plug in my ultra sensor and that gives me my distance. After I got my distance, I plugged it into printf, which prints it on the serial monitor right here. So I plugged in printf, distance, %d is where this variable is going to be placed in my string. So distance gets plugged in here. The %d tells it to be plugged in right here in the string. And then I have a new line that prints it on each new line. When you build your program, you just press F9, Control F9 to upload it to your bot. And then after you upload it to your bot, all you have to do is select this serial output button and you'll begin to see your serial output. It's pretty standard with most programming languages, so you should pick it up pretty quick. Alright, have fun with that. I'll see you in the next video.